Hi friends, this is lecture number 23 of Power System series. Here in this lecture, we are going to study the advantages of bundled conductor. So in previous lecture, we see that bundled conductor increase the GMR. As GMR increases, electric field also increases, which results in reduction of corona. This is first advantage of bundled conductor. Now second advantage is inductance of bundled conductor is less than that of single stranded conductor. See how? For bundled conductor, inductance of forward path is equals to mu naught upon 2 pi ln dm by dsf, means dm is the mutual GMD while dsf is the self GMD. While for single conductor, inductance is equals to mu naught upon 2 pi log dm by r dash. So we have already proved that dsf means self GMD is greater than r dash. So when self GMD is greater than r dash, then inductance of bundled conductor will already be greater than single stranded conductor. This is the first point. Now see, capacitance of bundled conductor is more than that of solid conductor. How? See, capacitance of bundled conductor is given by 2 pi epsilon naught divided by log dm by dsf. D is the mutual GMD, dsf is the self GMD. And for solid conductor, it is given by 2 pi epsilon naught log dm by r dash. So here again, we know that dsf is greater than r dash, means self GMD of bundled conductor is greater than that GMR of single stranded conductor. So if DSF means self GMD of bundled conductor is greater than GMR of stranded conductor, in that case this capacitance of bundled conductor will be greater than that of solid conductor. So now these all capacitance formulas we will derive it in my upcoming lectures. Till then just you have to memorize it. Okay, so don't take tension, just go through the formula and memorize this formula for the moment. Later you will come to know that how to derive the capacitance of a transmission line. So at present just see the formulas and move ahead. So by bundling, capacitance increases and inductance decreases. Due to increase in capacitance, power factor of system improves. And due to reduction in inductance per phase, the reactance of transmission line reduces and hence the voltage drop also reduces. Now due to reduction in reactance, maximum power transfer capability also increases. So how it increases? See, we know that Pmax is equals to Vs into Vr by X, sending end voltage into receiving end voltage divided by reactance. So as this reactance decreases, then Pmax increases, and Pmax we know that is directly proportional to the stability. So at present you have to remember this formula of Pmax. Later in my upcoming videos, when we study the stability topic, then under that topic I will derive the whole derivation. So right now you have to just remember this, that stability is directly proportional to the Pmax, and Pmax is equals to Vs Vr by X. And when X decreases, then Pmax increases, and when Pmax increases, then stability also increases. Now surge impedance decreases and hence the surge impedance loading increases. See how surge impedance decreases by bundling. We know that surge impedance is equals to under root L by C, and surge impedance loading is equals to V square by ZS. So when the inductance decreases, then surge impedance loading decreases, and this ZS is reactance plus this is the total impedance, and it also includes reactance. So when reactance decreases, this ZS will also decrease, and which results in increase in surge impedance loading, because SIL is inversely proportional to ZS. Now second and last point is Radio interference decreases by bundling. As inductance decreases, then flux linkage decreases, and when flux linkage decreases, interference also decreases. I will discuss the concept of stability, surge impedance loading, capacitance, interference. All these topics I will discuss in my upcoming videos. Right now just see all the formulas. Later I will give you the detailed explanation for all these new terms and formulas. So this is all about the advantages of bundled conductor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.